467 liters. That's more trunk space than a Volkswagen Golf, a Ford Focus, or a Peugeot 308, and this car costs thousands less than all of them. This is the 2026 Skoda Scala Monte Carlo, and it might be the smartest buy in the compact segment right now. But that's not even the most impressive part. The design language has matured significantly with the facelift. Sharper, narrower headlights with full matrix LED technology give the front end a more premium appearance than the price tag deserves. Those 18-inch Ursa Black diamond-cut alloys fill the wheel arches with genuine presence, and the black accents that define the Monte Carlo trim create a sportier visual identity without trying too hard. Where the Volkswagen Golf plays it safe with understated elegance, the Scala Monte Carlo actually has personality. The rear is where things get really interesting. Skoda borrowed directly from the Porsche playbook. The interior tells a story of smart priorities. Instead of chasing the minimalist touchscreen trend that frustrates so many drivers, Skoda kept physical controls for the climate system. That sounds basic, but after spending 5 minutes fighting with a Peugeot 308 screen just to change the temperature, you'll appreciate it. The 9.2-inch Amundsen touchscreen handles everything else with wireless smartphone integration and wireless charging on Monte Carlo trim. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, and while the mock carbon fiber trim is a love it or hate it detail, the overall build quality is solid. Where this car truly embarrasses the competition is rear passenger space. Built on the same platform as the tiny seat Ibiza, yet somehow Skoda engineered legroom that rivals cars from the segment above. 3 adults can sit across the back without complaints, which is more than the Golf or the Focus can honestly claim. But here's what nobody is mentioning about this car, and it has everything to do with value for money. The boot is where the Scala delivers its knockout punch. 467 liters with the seats up, expanding to 1,410 liters folded flat. The Golf manages 381. The Focus, 375. This isn't a marginal advantage. It's an entirely different league of practicality for a car that costs significantly less. The 1.5-liter TSI 4-cylinder produces 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque through a 7-speed DSG. 0 to 100 takes 8.2 seconds, and the Sport chassis control lets you toggle between comfort and a firmer sports setting with adaptive dampers. It's no hot hatch, but it's more than enough for daily driving. At around €29,000, the Scala Monte Carlo undercuts a comparable Golf by thousands, while offering a bigger boot, more rear space, and matrix LED headlights as standard. If practicality matters more than badge prestige, the answer is obvious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.